Hi ChatGPT, what do you think is the most pressing geopolitical issue in the Middle East these days?
The most pressing geopolitical issue in the Middle East currently is the ongoing conflict between Israel and Palestine. The situation continues to be a significant source of tension and violence, affecting regional stability. Additionally, there are concerns about Iran's nuclear program, which has implications for regional security and relations with other countries.
Can you go ahead and talk about Iran's nuclear program or any proof that the world has against Iran for regarding these nuclear assets that have led to this issue?
Iran's nuclear program has been a point of international contention for many years. The primary concern is that Iran's development of nuclear technology could lead to the production of nuclear weapons, which would significantly alter the balance of power in the Middle East and pose a threat to global security.
How do you think that would affect the balance of power?
If Iran were to develop nuclear weapons, it would significantly shift the balance of power in the Middle East and have several profound implications. 1. Regional security. A nuclear-armed Iran could embolden its foreign policy, leading to greater assertiveness in the region. This might heighten tensions with neighboring countries, particularly Israel and Saudi Arabia, both of which view Iran as a strategic threat. 2. Arms race. Other regional powers might feel compelled.
Why do these countries view Iran as a national threat to their security? Can you go ahead and talk more about that?
Countries in the Middle East, particularly Israel and Saudi Arabia, view Iran as a national threat to their security for several reasons. 1. Ideological and religious rivalry. Iran is a predominantly Shia Muslim country, while Saudi Arabia is a leading Sunni Muslim power. The rivalry between Shia and Sunni Islam has historical roots, and both nations vie for leadership and influence in the Muslim world. Iran's support for Shia groups and movements across the region is seen as a direct challenge to.
That is all I wanted to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
You too.
Got it. If there's any